If SketchUp is bug splatting when you try to open a file, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes that can get the file opening again, whether the cause is file corruption, heavy geometry, bad plugins, or outdated graphics drivers. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more SketchUp fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing to understand is that not every crash means SketchUp itself is broken. In many cases, the problem is the file. If one specific model keeps crashing while a blank SketchUp file opens normally, that usually points to corrupted data, overly complex geometry, or bloated components brought in from 3D warehouse. So the goal is to figure out whether the issue is the model, the graphics setup, or a plugin conflict. Let's start with the most common fix, which is file hygiene. Open SketchUp and start with a brand new blank file. If you can get into SketchUp at all, this is the safest place to begin. Once the blank model is open, go to Window, then Model Info, and then Statistics. In this section, you'll see tools that help clean up the model data. Click Purge Unused first. This removes hidden content that's no longer being used, such as components, materials, and other leftover data that can make a file heavier than it needs to be. After that, click Fix Problems if that option is available. This can help correct some common validity issues inside the model. Now here's the important part. Instead of opening the crashing file directly, try importing it into the clean blank model. Go to File and then Import, and select the file that keeps bug splatting when you open it normally. In many cases, importing the file into a clean environment bypasses the specific corruption that causes the crash during a direct open. This is one of the best ways to rescue a problematic SketchUp file without immediately triggering the bug splat. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is the graphics engine. SketchUp 2026 introduced a newer graphics engine, and while it can work great, it may struggle with certain models if your GPU drivers aren't perfectly updated, or if the scene is extremely heavy. If SketchUp crashes before you can even get into the menus, try launching it in safe mode. To do that, hold Shift while double-clicking the SketchUp icon. Safe mode can help you get into the app with fewer graphics and extension issues interfering. Once SketchUp opens, go to Window, then Preferences, and then Graphics. Here you'll see the graphics engine setting. If it's currently set to New, switch it to Classic. If it's already on Classic, try switching it to New, then restart SketchUp and test the file again. This simple graphics engine switch can make a huge difference if the crash is tied to driver compatibility or rendering issues. If the file opens in Classic but not in the new engine, that's a strong sign your graphics driver needs attention. At that point, you should update your GPU drivers. If you're using NVIDIA or GeForce, make sure you're on the latest stable version, and if possible, perform a clean install. In some cases, using a studio driver instead of a game-ready driver can improve stability for design software like SketchUp. This is especially important if you recently updated SketchUp or moved to a new version and started seeing crashes right away. Now let's cover another very common cause, plugin conflicts. If you migrated extensions from SketchUp 2025 to 2026, some plugins may not be fully compatible yet. Tools like Lumion, V-Ray, V-Phase, libfredo, sub-D, or other extensions can sometimes try to read the file as it opens and cause the crash before the model even finishes loading. To test for this, close SketchUp completely. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the Plugins folder for SketchUp 2026. The path is %appdata%/SketchUp /SketchUp 2026 /SketchUp /plugins. Once you're there, move everything in that plugins folder to your desktop temporarily. Don't delete it yet. We're just isolating the extensions to see whether one of them is the cause. After that, relaunch SketchUp and try opening the file again. If the file opens now, then you've confirmed that one of the plugins is the problem. Add the plugins back one by one until you find the extension that triggers the bug splat. When you identify the culprit, check for an update, replace it with a compatible version, or keep it disabled until the developer releases a fix. This step is especially useful if the crash started right after upgrading SketchUp or adding a new extension. If you're still stuck, here's a quick checklist to run through. First, try opening a different SketchUp file to see if the issue is isolated to one model. Second, test the same file on a blank scene after purging unused content. Third, switch graphics engines and reboot. Fourth, temporarily disable plugins. And fifth, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Working through these steps in order usually helps narrow down the cause fast instead of guessing. For especially large or messy models, it also helps to reduce complexity before the file becomes unstable. Try removing unnecessary high-poly components, replacing overly detailed assets with lighter versions, and purging unused materials regularly. A model that looks fine on the surface can still have a huge amount of hidden data, causing SketchUp to choke when it opens. A little cleanup now can save a lot of crashing later. So to recap, if SketchUp bug splats when opening a file, start by testing the file in a clean blank model. Use Purge Unused and fix problems. Import the file instead of opening it directly. Switch graphics engines in preferences. Launch in safe mode if needed. Temporarily remove plugins from the plugins folder and make sure your GPU drivers are updated. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who keeps running into SketchUp crashes. And if you want more SketchUp troubleshooting tutorials, let me know in the comments what error you're seeing, and I'll make the next guide for you.